Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on the markup language. A markup language is a computer language that uses tags to define elements within a document. It is human readable, meaning markup files contain standard words rather than typical programming syntax. HTML is not a single language, but the name for a family of related languages like XHTML. XHTML is HTML defined as an XML application. The two most popular are Hypertext Markup Language and the Extensible Markup Language. Here comes the program for printing the hello world. Here we have the root element, document type HTML, which is uh, we actually include this because we want the document type to get declared. The type of the document, yes, of the HTML, that could only be interpreted when we have these lines of code. For the execution, it has to understand the document type and then it will get executed. And to say the next line is the HTML XML NS, which is to strictly conform with the XHTML 1.0 standard, and the head, title, and then the body, and the body has a paragraph tag. So this we call it as the document instance. Here when you look, we have the hello world. Printed the following code when get executed prints the um, hello world. Then the next, head and body elements. The body elements contains information displayed in the browser client area. The head element contains information used for other purposes by the browser. The title shown the title bar of the browser window, and then the scripts, the client side programs, and the style, the display information, etc. Then every HTML document contains two types of information: the markup information, which is contained in tags, and then the character data of the document, which is everything outside of the markup tags and is generally information that is intended to be displayed by the browser. The first word after the document type keyword is the name of the root element, and the root element can only occur once in the document and the first tag in the document instance. To strictly conform with the HTML 1.0 standard, the HTML tag starting tag must also contain the XML-NS attribute specification. Here we have the element tree, which has to come as the precedence order. First, we have the root element HTML. Then we can include a head or either body. Inside the head, we can give the title, uh, and then inside the body, we can have the paragraph tag. The minimal structure of an XHTML document identifies the document as written in HTML or XHTML. The head provides information about the document. A descriptive title is required. The body contains the content that displays in the browser. At the end of XHTML, we found we should be able to create standards, compliant static HTML documents using a variety of HTML elements. To know where to find the reference definitions of the HTML and XML and be able to understand these definitions. Determine whether or not an XHTML document is syntactically correct by consulting an XML document type definition. Here we have one more point. Let us discuss that. And the, de- to describe some of the history of HTML and the relationships between XML and XHTML. Now, let us end this session and let us discuss the continuation of this in the another video. Thank you all.